Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video downloading English US update waiting for network connection notification on your mobile. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are also getting on your notification panel downloading English US update waiting for network connection, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open setting. You need to scroll down a little bit. Guys, you can see here Google, just tap on this. Again you need to scroll down a little bit. Below you can see here settings for Google apps, just tap on this. Guys, in this you can see here last option search assistant and voice, just tap on this. Guys, in this you have to tap on the voice option. Guys, in this you can see here third option offline speech recognition, just tap on this. Here you can see here auto update option, just tap on this. You have to select the first option, do not auto upgrade languages. After selecting this, go back. Guys, after doing this, once you have to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can remove downloading English US update waiting for network connection notification. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.